Enterprises are commonly deploying the same applications across different virtualized environments, including VMware, OpenShift, and Nutanix, while also using public cloud environments with geographically distributed locations to ensure resiliency. The complexity of managing and distributing application traffic while enforcing uniform security policies across these environments can add significant operational overhead and risk. In this video, I'll explain infrastructure typical in organizations, business challenges, and how F5 addresses this with F5 BIG-IP VE and multi-platform support in hybrid virtualized environments. BIG-IP VEs deployed identically to each virtualized environment greatly simplifies the configuration of app delivery while ensuring consistent security and performance. The following infrastructure is common among enterprise setups: VMware on-prem, Nutanix on-prem, OpenShift on-prem, and one or more cloud provider. Most public cloud providers are supported, and BIG-IP can be deployed directly from each provider's own marketplace. When new application workloads are added across multiple environments, using BIG-IP ensures a seamless integration for existing services while meeting ever-changing business needs for security and growth. The following sample applications have been deployed to and are running in each of the following environments. Here, DVWA exists everywhere, while apps under development, Juice Shop and Mutilidae, are only in VMware and Nutanix respectively. These two apps have just reached maturity and the organization is ready to put them in production and needs for them to be available in each virtualized environment. The app owners have just replicated them, and now all that's needed is to configure the BIG-IP on each to deliver and secure them. Lastly, we'll attach an existing web application firewall policy already approved by the SecOps team and installed on the BIG-IPs to uniformly secure each in the new locations. To begin, we attempt to browse to each of the apps in our on-prem environments and notice that some of the pages fail to load. Here I'm using Firefox to reach the apps in both Nutanix and VMware, and I'm using curl to reach the app in OpenShift. We'll come back to this in a moment after configuring our BIG-IPs with the additional apps. Accessing the web console for each BIG-IP, we'll add a new virtual server for each app to serve as the front end in each location. We'll also add a default pool to connect to the apps running in our virtual environments. A moment ago, we saw some apps in each environment fail to load. Now that the virtual servers are configured, the final step is to attach our WAF security policy and enable request logging. This applies a standard layer of security to each app in every environment, while also enabling visibility should we need to review access. Each app is now available in all 3 on-prem locations, and we use the exact same steps to configure each. Because this process is identical across all of the environments, it would be trivial to make new deployments even faster with an automation toolkit such as Ansible. Testing the WAF policy, we can see that it works with the BIG-IP denying access when sending requests with script access where it wouldn't ordinarily be expected. Using the console on BIG-IP, reviewing access to the apps, and checking for irregularities is achieved by navigating to the security section and looking at the event logs. Here we can see that our most recent request has been blocked correctly. To streamline this demo, we haven't shown configuring a BIG-IP in Google Cloud. However, the process is nearly the same as it is for on-prem environments. In fact, it may be easier to deploy BIG-IP in your organization's public cloud infrastructure when using the marketplace, as product licensing is directly integrated in the offering. Running F5 BIG-IP on any platform across virtualized environments provides a robust, scalable, and consistent way to secure and manage access to your applications, regardless of the reach, for internal users as well as outside. For more information about this setup and a complete implementation-level, step-by-step workflow guide, see our related technical content at DevCentral with the links in the description below. And for more information about the F5 application delivery and security platform as a whole, visit us at f5.com/adsp.